Alright, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I ever laid my hands on you. I shouldn't have done that no matter what. But you know it hurts. It hurts to try so much just to please someone and it's never been appreciated. I try so much to make you happy but you never appreciate it. It's not my fault. You make me doubt myself. You make me feel as if I'm a bad person. But I am not. Junior, I love you. Your mother is my best friend. I can never hurt you. Even if you're angry with every other person, you shouldn't be angry with me. Because I love you so much. I was there with your mother. I stood by her through thick and thin. She knows that. I know you can't talk, but I'm very sure you can hear me. Please, I love you so much. Don't worry, I'll make it up to you. You know what? Tomorrow, I'll take you for shopping. We'll go to the cinemas, see movies, buy you ice cream, and we'll go in search of mommy. Who knows? We might be lucky to find her. Yes, I know that's exactly what my boy wants to hear. Come to me. I'm sorry, Make sure I got the best for you for your party so that you'll be happy. You'll be happy. My boy. Drink on. Lick your ice cream, okay? Got plenty of things for you. After now, I'll take you to shopping, okay? I'll buy you some good outfits so that you will look very beautiful most of the year. Right? very good. So, who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Yeah, Alhaji Dangote.
Mama, what are you doing to yourself? What are you doing to yourself? You barely talk to anybody. You sit alone. You talk to yourself. Why? Why are you doing this? You no longer go out to teach. Your pupils are missing you. I'm sure they will want to see you. Mama, happiness is...
I know when to be happy and when not to. And definitely this period is not a good one. You of all people should know that. Kedinobi, you expect me to be happy when my only son is gone under a mysterious circumstances. And the person that sniffed life out of my son is probably out there breathing. And you expect me to be happy when there is no one to carry on with your father's lineage. No son, not even a grandson to show for it. I want your brother. Sinami isieke pota biakaju. There is nothing good. Nothing good will ever come out of Amisieke. Wanegmokaju. Amisieke, they are like that. It has been there. And nobody will change it. Ubiako Wamaju. Wanesianum. Nenum Kamoto. Nenum Kansiwe Tichaka. Tichaka Waloko Kwaki. Nenum. You are going to marry someday and join your husband. And me, I will join my ancestors. Mama,
stop. I don't like this thing you're saying. Stop. Mama, you're not dying. You're not going anywhere. If you leave me, where will I be? Where will I go to? Mama, you're not going anywhere. Stop. I don't like this thing you're saying. No. I don't like this thing. No. Mama, stop now. Stop. If you die now, what will happen to me? Mama, stop. Stop.
You see the reason why I keep telling you people that men respect independent women. A woman that will not depend on her husband for the well-being of her home.
You say women, Abi? Not all women.
Exactly. You know Chigbo, the son of Okonkwo? The one that stays in Abuja now. His wife, Amobi, single-handedly built their home before Chigbo took over. That is the kind of life I want to build for myself. That's why I just hope my brother will marry Amobi's sister. I heard good fortune runs in their blood.
Where is she from?
Okwandami Iseke.
What did you just say?
Ami Iseke now.
Spit what you just said now.
Spit what out?
Spit the rubbish you just said now.
They are not bad people. It's not all of them that are bad.
Open your mouth and say nothing good comes out of Amiseke. Open your mouth and say it.
Hey! What did they call this one? Eh?
You're still talking. You think I'm joking? I go slap this girl now.
What has come over you now? What did I do that is bad here? I didn't say anything wrong now.
I'll slap you now. Spit it out now. Spit it out.
Well, I'll say what I have said before. I said it's not all of them that are bad.
You still dey talk. I will slap you now.
What has come over you now?
What you just said now.
You are telling her to slap me. You are telling her to slap me.
Look for Ken for me. Find Ken for me.
Oh, you are going to find her again, Abi?
You think I'm joking?
What did I do?
You think I'm joking?
Relax now. What is
You think you better spit it out.
Spit it out.
You think I'm joking?
What is wrong with you now? What has come over you?
You think I'm joking? You will spit it.
I'm not going to spit anything. Oh, you are going to look okay. You are going to look okay. You know that.
Ogini! Kusi, stop that! Hey! Leave her alone.
So you went to bring...
Hey!
You are going to look okay. What has wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
Stop that! Will you stop that rubbish? What kind of mentality do you girls have? That one person is talking bad about Amiseke woman and the other one is talking good about Amiseke women. That will make you to begin to fight. And you call yourselves friends. Hi, Ike Nubi, that your brother died mysteriously does not make every Amiseke women bad. And that does not also make the men that marries Amiseke women to be dead. Let this be the first and the last time I will see you fight. Is that clear? Ikednobi, go home. Tell your mother I want to see her immediately. Amaka, you, to your house. Go. I say leave.
careful and live carefully, 'cause your best friend could very well be your worst enemy. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust.
Go, Fred.
Yeah, I'll get back to you.
Fred, I am sorry I barged in on you, but honestly, I am so angry right now. I am sick and tired of Junior's weird attitude. I cannot take it no more. That is why I brought him here. I can't cope. I can't.
Calm down.
What's all this?
Please calm down. I've not seen you this angry before. Not to this little boy. Not to Junior of all people.
Fred, I'm tired. I'm honestly tired. What is all this? The other day, I was preparing for an occasion, only for me to realize that the dress I brought out for the occasion has been burnt. By who? Junior. I woke up this morning to find out that my expensive hair has been cut off with a scissors. By who? Same Junior. This little boy. What is all this? Please, I don't want to harbor him again in my house. I have tried. As a friend I am. I have.
Bianca, I'm lost.
Of course you should be lost. Because what this little boy is doing is horrible. I can't take it anymore. Okay, fine. I understand what he has been passing through as a little boy. And yes, my best friend's son is also my son. I actually asked for this. I volunteered to help. But his weird attitude is becoming so unbearable for me and I can no longer take it. I can't. I mean, I don't know what he feels. I mean, maybe he thinks he's under house arrest and we are preventing him from going out to search for his mother. I don't understand. Whenever this weird attitude of his starts, he will try running out of the house. And when he's being prevented, he starts behaving crazy, scattering things in the house. Is that not madness? Please, I can no longer take this. I can't stand beating him, because if I do, I will kill him. I don't want to kill someone's child. That is why I brought him for you. I'm tired. I am. I think the best thing to do is to let him go. That is why I have brought him to you. Please. My hands are off. I'm tired. What is all this?
You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust.
Anybody home? Is anybody home, please? Anybody home?
Mamo. Onochilobi. Afunwelo tanna. Ogogo amobi. Ha, egogo amobi. Egogo amobi mo. Hey, doctor, thank you. Kandiluani.
You don't need to do that, Mama. Mama, you embarrass me.
Oh, thank you. If any melum, Abba. May the Chi continue to bless you and your family. Thank you. Oh, Dalu. Hey! Afunwelo tanna. Mama. Ono chiobi. Oyilimia. Agudu na nwa. Hey! Igugu ọmọ obi mu. Onochilobi. Inochilobi o. Inochilobi. Afunwa. Kerabi sino. Afunwa. Afunwa lo taneo.
Ajangane no jaginana. Afurongana taba. Kagi bili kagi siebio. Ebo bonino. No la kwa mebe. Yarapu metua. Kedi femmeme. Wanumo kwisini follow munanyarine. Obogini neme. Agotarom bigo nataba. Kagi bili kagi siebio. Okoma nataba no bigo nataba. Dimoma nataba no bigo nataba. Irapu metua mono nyebi nataba. Nataka muoga lusielu gini nataba.
Afunwelo tanna. Oyilinne ya. Ogogo ọmọ obi. Obi gidachuo. Onnam. Nyadajukana. Oh. Your presence is gradually taking away my sorrow. Yes. I was without hope, helpless, until you arrive. Though not completely, until the killers of your father are brought to judgment. That is when my happiness will be complete. But for the meantime, let us be happy. Your presence makes me happy. I am happy. I'm happy. I'm happy seeing you. Ogogo amobi. Afunwelo tanne. I teach children. I want us to go to school today. Yes. Ogogo amobi. Today, we are going to school together. I teach my people. I look at you, I get inspired, and I teach them more. Afunwelo tanne. Ikukugo mobi. Ikukugo mobi. Oh, come. Let us go and get ready. Go to school today. Inugo, 1+1. Now 2+2. Akuzi for my first lesson. Oh, that's Rabia. Naija Kona water. We are going to school. Oh, Uncle go mobi. Oh no. Oh, Linia. Oh, Inugo. Afunwe lotenna. Ogu go mobi. Onye ọcha nwa m. I go to school. I go to school.
So, girlfriend,
My next trip to Dubai will be on the 10th of next month, so you have enough time to, take down the things you would want me to buy for you. And Bianca, are you here with me?
Of course. I am.
No, you're not. What is going on in that mind of yours?
Angel is here. In my house.
Angel? But I thought...
I found her.
Wow! Sound pretty nice. But what's up with the wrong face and... Oh, I get it. The stress, right? Relax, everything will be fine, okay?
Where are you going? Afunwa. Naikoku. My boy behaves weird. There is something strange about him. At times, it's as if he's communicating with the unseen. He doesn't even behave like a child. That gives me worry that there may be something more to it.
Onyankuzi, let me ask you, what name do you call him? Afunwa Elotenna. You see your late son in him. Yes. And if your late son gives you cause to worry, same goes with this little boy. From the very first time I set my eyes on this boy, I saw a missionary. A true missionary will never rest until his or her mission is accomplished. The mission must be fulfilled.
Welcome, Anadaba. Achongane chogilana Afurongana taba Kagi bili kagi siebio Ebo bonino No la kwamnebe Iyarapu metua Kedi femmeme
Remember what we agreed on, eh? Angel will stay behind. When I go to the house to find out if the beat is still on. You understand?
No, I don't think so. I don't think the villagers will still be angry with her till now. I only brought her here to see her son. I'm sure he must have missed her so much. So just like you said, I'll leave her in the car.
You have a point there. So,
of course. Behind.
Yeah, cheers. Mama is not awake yet.
Yeah. Where's Mama? We've not seen her yet.
Mama.
Well, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Mama.
Doctor.
Hey, Mama.
We're fine. We were just asking about you now. All right, Ma. Thank you, Ma. Mama, how is Junior?
I think he should be behind the house. He likes to stay alone, like father, like son.
What are you doing here?
Angel. I can't find Angel.
What do you mean you can't find Angel? I thought you left her in the car.
Yes, I left her in the car like we agreed. But now I can't find her.
How?
I don't know.
Where could she be? We just have to look for her somehow. Anyway, I don't know. Let's just look for her.
Angel!
Hey, excuse me, please, what is happening here?
It's Angelina, the woman that committed abomination and has been on the run since. She has been caught and we are taking her to Onikodoro.
Angel, caught!
Aba nwa m onigwe mo, aba nwa m onigwe mo, nwa m zili nzizi je kwakpuo, nwa m ya nzizi je bolele, okokoko n'igwe mo nyadeba. Aba nwa m onigwe mo, aba nwa m onigwe m, nwa m zili nzizi je kwakpuo, nwa m ya nzizi je bolele, okokoko n'igwe mo nyadeba.
Dikeh, what could be so urgent that the chief priest of Moda is summoning us to into this place?
Hey, you stop too much. Huh? And that's what I'm going to do. Are you asking me to ask you? What problem am I going to have? Or was I not drinking with you when we were being summoned? Let's not, please.
Jerry, are you trying to insult me or you actually insulting me? No, tell me.
No,
are you insulting me?
No, they're both. Let's be going. No, I'm not insulting you. And I'm not trying to insult you. Let's be going.
Okay, well, let's just hope all is well. But next time, mind the way you insult me. Okay, so I'm talking too much.
Onwelugo gbenje kili mmanwụ nje nene mmanwụ nje kili mmanwụ onwelugo gbenje nene mmanwụ oy. The day of reckoning is here, a day set aside by our chief to reveal what has been hidden from us. A boy was born, little but mighty in the brain. He has been dumb all his life. Amanna, nna n'ụwa. Onochie. He was only sent to come and speak on the D-Day. Onwelugo gbenje kili mmanwụ nje nene mmanwụ. Onwelugo gbenje kili mmanwụ oyi.
The time is here.
Do dumb people speak?
It comes a time to kill a soul, but a time to heal the soul. A time to change to a chameleon. A time to be real. A time to lie. A time to be honest. A time to hide. And time to speak up. Speak up. Speak what you know now.
Who is he speaking to? Do you have anything to say, Chelsea?
Speak up or you remain dumb forever.
I'll speak. I have something to say. I have something to say. Hi.
Smiling faces, but none is true. Working at your back to get you down. So you better be careful and be carefully. Cause your best friend could very well be your worst enemy. You better know who to and who not to trust.
What's wrong? Why are you crying? What's going on?
I'm hurt. I'm terribly hurt.
Hurt about what? How? Why? What?
Why is life treating me so differently? Why does it hurt so much? I don't understand. Why do I live a life of sadness? A life of penury? Why? Why am I so much emotionally traumatized? Each time they come and go, like I'm never connected to them. Now, the only man I've ever loved in my life, it's about going with another woman. It's about leaving me to die in silence.
Bianca, struggle. Now you're speaking in parables. I mean, I don't understand it all. Who's in love with who and who is walking away from who? I mean, listen, nobody is worth your tears. And the person who's worth your tears will never make you cry. What's going on? This is not you.
Angel, I'm in love.
Oh! You are in love?
Yes.
You! Tell me, who is this person?
I'm in love with Prince.
Oh! He is a prince? From where? Like, when, how? Tell me about him.
The same prince you know. The one you intend walking down the aisle with. Please. Angel, you can do this for me. I love him so much. Yes, I do. I love him with everything I've got. I'm begging you in the name of God Almighty. Angel, you can do this for me. You can do this for a dying friend. I'm losing my mind. I love him so much. I love him. I can't do without him. This is the only man I've ever fallen in love with. The only man I have ever been connected to. Please. I can't stand losing him. Not to you. Not to any other person in life. I can't. I'm obsessed with him. Please.
This is crazy. What kind of obsession is this? This is crazy.
He has no definition. And this is the more reason you should leave him for me. The prince is mine. He belongs to me. I love him so much. Please. You are the lucky one. You are favored. Once you go out, you acclimatize easily with people and you can easily fall in love with the man who returns it. And it's fine. But for me, the reverse is the case. I am not favored like you. Please, you are the lucky one and you know that. I'm begging you. Please, just leave him for me. Do me this one favor, I beg of you, please.
What are you saying? Our wedding is just a few days away and you're talking like this. You are supposed to be my friend. What are you saying?
Cancel the wedding. Yes. Angel, you can do it for me. Cancel the wedding. It's not compared to half of what I've done for you. I've done enough for you. I've harbored you ever since up until date. What haven't I done for you? I fight for you. I've stood for you when you have issues. And I sort them out. Bianca can take a bullet for you. When your stepmother was dealing with you, I stood in for you. I made sure they never suffered you. What haven't I done? I made sure the little money that your stepfather left for you was given to you. I deserve some accolade, don't I? Why are you doing this to me? Please, I'm begging you. I love you so much. I've done enough for you. I was there as a father, as a mother, as the only sister you ever had. I was there. I made sure everything went right. Have I not tried? Now, you want to do this to me? Now? Okay. Now, the house is almost completed. You want to go and be happy? You want to go and live a life that is of trauma and allow me to suffer? Do I deserve this? Do I?
Bianca, no. The house I built is the same house that Prince will be living with me. He isn't established yet and I want to help establish him. I want to rewrite the wrongs. His people don't see anything good coming out of Amaisike and I want to change that. I want to have a happy home, building it with him.
Please. Please, Angel. What are you saying? You can do this for me. This is the only thing I've ever asked you to do for me. Why are you denying me this? Remember, I first met Prince before you. I was about letting my intentions known to him before you snatched him away from me. Yes, you did. You took him away from me. And now I'm losing my mind. I'm losing it already. Please, I beg you. I beg you, just leave him for me. Just do me this one favor. This one favor and I will forever remain indebted to you. Please.
What are you saying?
Please.
No. No.
Angel.
No.
Why did you call me out here, Bianca? And why are you crying? Did you bring me here to start shedding tears?
Divorce Angel and marry me. I have tried so much to get hold of myself, but I just couldn't. I could not. I...
Excuse me? What did you just say now?
Yes, Prince. I meant every word of it. Prince, I love you. I love you so much. I'm obsessed about you. Prince, I have never been attracted to any man in my life the way I am to you. Please, just give me a chance. Give me a chance. I promise that I will love you so much.
Bianca, why are you so stubborn? Why don't you listen? We have talked about this over and over and over and over and over again. Don't you get tired? Why would you say that? I should leave your best friend to settle for you?
Yes.
Don't you have conscience?
You should leave her. The more reason she should step aside and do me this favor. Angel is my best friend. She knows almost everything about me. She knows it's very difficult for me to get attracted to any man. She also knows that you are the only one I have ever been attracted to. She knows. Why can't she just do me this favor? I mean, why can't the two of you do me this favor? Is it too much? I've done so many things for her. Okay, fine. What is it that you see in Angel that you can't find in me? What?
Love. Yes. Love is what I see in her. I love your best friend Angel so dearly. And she loves me too. I mean, why is it difficult for you to listen? Why? You're a very beautiful woman. You can find love anywhere. But for me, it cannot work. It can't work, for crying out loud. Okay. I'm sorry if I sounded rude. But as a friend, I am going to assist you to make sure you're happy. I can get you someone. Please. Please. This should be the last time we will talk about this. Don't call me out again for this issue. Please.
Prince. Tears are words waiting to be written. If I do not have you, no one else would. No one else.
Is that a threat?
It is just a message waiting to be delivered in full course.
Smiling faces, but none is true. Working at your back to get you down. So you better be careful and be carefully. 'Cause your baby.
He's very much unconscious. The substance he inhaled can leave him unconscious until he wants. He can only be revived by the antidote anytime.
Good job. I trust you.
When are we getting our balance? Very important.
I know. Send me your account details. Alright? I'll take it from here. Bianca leaves no traces.
Better be careful and be carefully. 'Cause your best friend could very well be your worst.
And I made sure he was not killed on the day he was kidnapped. I suffered him. I made sure he suffered the emotional trauma I went through before I sniffed the life out of him.
Better be careful and be carefully. 'Cause your best friend could very well be your worst enemy. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know
Why are you so stubborn, Prince? Do you really deserve this? Who are you doing all this for? Angel? Who is she? Is she anything compared to me? Prince, you're suffering yourself. Prince, I love you. I love you so much. Come with me, let's elope. Let's travel. Can't you see this love is real? Can't you see? Listen, I understand what you mean. I understand how terrible you feel right now. But I can handle Angel. She's nothing. Okay? Baby. I'm not happy seeing you like this. I'm not happy seeing you shed tears. When you shed tears, I feel horrible. Please. You know I love you so much. I love you. Come on, my love.
I would rather get married to a dog than to get married to you. You will die. Promise you, you will die a miserable death. You're evil. Evil. That is who you are. You will die. You will die.
Call me evil.
And told you if I cannot have you, no one will ever have you. No one will ever have you if I can have you. No one. No. Angel, you have taken my love away from me. Angel, I will make sure that your trauma never ends. I will! I had everything strategized for my good. I arranged the call the day Prince's body was found. I took advantage that Angel's mother-in-law never liked her and wanted to deal with her. I never brought her to the village to see her son. Yes, because I miss seeing her tears. I miss watching her shed tears uncontrollably. Yes, I brought her here. I brought her down to this village, knowing full well that she will suffer more trauma from the villagers. Angel hurt me so much. She made me suffer day and night. That is why each time I watch her shed tears, I shed tears with her not because I feel for her, but because I see that it's not enough compared to what she made me go through, the trauma she made me pass through. That is why I don't want her dead. I prefer to watch her suffer endless trauma all through her life. Hey. I tried so much to possess her son, but unfortunately that little brat was too troublesome for me to possess. Angel, I hate you. I hate you with everything in me. I despise you so much, Angel, for hurting me so much, for taking what rightfully belongs to me. I hate you with everything I've got inside of me. I despise you so terribly. You hurt me. In your little mind, you think you would go away with it? Never! Trust me. Trust me, Angel. If you die today, I would kill myself and make sure we continue this battle in the world beyond. I hate you!
Is that not the one they call her best friend? What's her name again?
Oh, Yanu, Bianca, Ndoi. Hane Boogie, Hana Fugon.
Oh, you mean a best friend can do this to a friend?
Why are you shifting away, Mbakwe? Am I carrying shit?
Best friend. Best friend. Hey.
Oyidika Bianca, Papa Nihu.
Onyenkuzi, the mission is fulfilled. From time, something tells me that Angela has no hands in the death of the husband. The mission is fulfilled today.
So you better be careful.